Hey, it's Danielle here at 4 Patriots with some really great news. Our best-selling survival food is finally back in stock, and since it keeps selling out, last time in just days, I wanted to make you this special video before it's gone again. So today, as part of this special inventory celebration event, we're going to include 2 free 72-hour survival food kits on top of a bunch of other free goodies, meaning that you'll get almost $204 in free bonus gifts with your order. But here's the catch. Last time we sold every kit we had in stock in just days. We blew through well over 1,932 kits, and all of our available food was just gone. It took us a while to ramp up production, but we burned the midnight oil, called in extra shifts, and we're ready to help as many Americans as we can in a time of crisis. It's what we do. So, if you're here to claim a survival food supply for yourself or your family, designed to last 25 years, you'd better hurry. Now, here's why we're doing this. Our mission is to champion freedom and self-reliance. And with all that's happening in this country and around the world, survival food is more important than ever. You know it. You've seen it for yourself. Shelves picked bare and people who haven't prepared, scrambling, hoarding, leaving precious little for those who didn't get there first. FEMA and the Red Cross both recommend that every American has non-perishable food on hand. So it's no wonder these kits sell like hotcakes. After all, this isn't ordinary food. This is delicious, nutritious, good for 25 years super survival food that protects you from going hungry in a crisis. And to celebrate finally getting these best-selling kits back in stock, we're gonna load you up with free gifts when you claim yours today. Just look at all you get with this special. It starts with great savings on our 4-week kit. It's valued at $268, but during this celebration event, that price goes out the window. You save a ton, and we're just getting warmed up, because you'll also get $203.85 worth of free bonuses, to be precise. Now first, because they're so popular and a true foundation for your preparedness plan, we're going to include not 1, but 2 free 72-hour survival food kits with your order today. That's 32 free meals, grab-and-go portability, and a way to get through any short-term crisis without even breaking into your stash. People love these kits. It's one of the top-rated items on our website. You'll get those, and hold on to your hats, folks. You'll also get an exclusive library of self-reliance manuals, crisis protection tips, and other information you won't find anywhere else. And we're going to put a $25 gift certificate in your pocket, so the next time you're ready to get food or one of our other survival essentials, you'll be getting it at a healthy discount. Pretty nice. We'll even throw in free shipping to really make this a no-brainer. Isn't that great? Yeah, here's the best part. The peace of mind that comes from having a survival food stockpile shouldn't only be for the most well-off Americans. So we'll give you a discount today, and a discount for the future, and you'll get an easy 2-payment plan. So you only pay $99 now and $99 in 30 days. No credit check, no nonsense. Just the best tasting, made in America survival food protection without the sticker shock. You get your food right away, but you only pay half to start. Now that's a great deal. And it's good to know that even if you need to stretch out the payment, you can, and still get peace of mind and a healthy stockpile of food on its way to you now. Just look at what these customers had to say about the peace of mind that their 4-week survival food kits gave them.
The 4-week kit, it's really given me peace of mind.
So appreciate 4 Patriots. Gives us a lot of peace of mind.
4-week survival kit, just to give me a little bit more peace of mind.
Purchased a 4-week supply of 4 Patriot food. It's really put my mind at ease.
It's very satisfying knowing that you've got some meals in storage.
And we feel confident now that should anything happen, we're able to feed our family.
What really preempted me to get survival food was COVID-19.
I had COVID-19. I was so proud that I had survival food on hand.
Most of the other companies' delays are months right now because of COVID, but we got several supplies from 4 Patriots in less than a week.
We've tried other brands and the food is not good. The food from this company is absolutely excellent.
The fireside stew is delicious. The rice is fluffy. There's pancakes for a good breakfast, oatmeal.
But with the 4-week kit, all you've got to do is boil water. Very quick, very easy to make, and they taste pretty damn good if I do say so myself.
It has a 25-year shelf life.
It's high quality Mylar packaging.
The 4-week kits, I got those on the plan that they have, so I can pay over several months.
Allowing us to do a payment plan so we don't have to save up to be able to get one.
Because of the COVID threat, when we can order in these products, it is a great feeling.
In this time with COVID, I got my 4-week kit, and I'm very happy that I did.
I ordered my first 4-week supply of food from 4 Patriots, and I feel a lot better.
You cannot afford to not start getting 4 Patriot foods.
The folks at 4 Patriots are very, very easy to deal with.
We are so happy to be associated with 4 Patriots.
Thank you, and I love you, 4 Patriots.
Look, this food tastes homemade. It's built to last the long haul. It's a snap to prepare. And everyone from former Navy SEALs to middle American grandmas are singing its praises. And you're protected by our famous double guarantee today, so there's absolutely no risk to you. First, you get a no questions asked 365-day money-back guarantee. That way there's absolutely no risk to you. And you can keep the free gifts just for giving your survival food a try. Second, if you open your 4 Patriots meals anytime in the next 25 years and find your food has spoiled or gone bad, we'll replace it. No questions asked. So there's never any worry about things going to waste. We've got you covered. That's how confident we are that the food will stay delicious and nutritious for up to 25 years. Now don't worry, there's no pressure to claim your kit. In fact, if you don't want it, you can step aside, no hard feelings. There are plenty of other people dead set on preparing right now. More than ever, in fact, and they see the need to act fast before these kits sell out. Just keep in mind that if this batch of survival food runs out, we may never be able to offer this special deal again. All the details are below. Please don't wait. I don't want you to miss out on the peace of mind that true self-reliance can deliver. Order now.